Hello everyone, it's me again, Teacher Amy. Welcome to my channel. Let's review this another ESL company, which is the 25 Poon ESL. Don't know if it's 25 Poon or 25 Poon. Yeah, so here in Facebook, search nyo lang yan, 25 Poon ESL. So this one here. Well, it's a home-based online ESL teacher. Um, The description, the salary is 200 to 350 per hour. Starting rate. Wow, mataas. Next, the students are Taiwanese from Hong Kong and South Korea. It's a video class, one-on-one, and also group class per 25 minutes. So they also have benefits, incentives, bonuses, separation pay, practical teaching skills training, super fast teacher or tech support, on-site working opportunities in Taiwan. On-site, wow. And the requirements, at least 22 years old. So if you're 21, just tell them you're 22 or 20 years old. Good English proficiency. And this is the schedule, weekdays, preferably fixed 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Almost all the ESL companies naman, it's 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. onwards. And for weekends, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. And it's optional. So apply here. This is the link. And let's go to the link. Okay, so ito yung link. Just click translate. Translate. Bakit wala? There. Translate to English. So, yon. And then, you just click apply now. So, after you click that one, just fill out this. So, fill out nyo lang yan. And then, you will receive an email. This is the first email I received. By the way, I applied here, but I didn't continue. I didn't attend the interview. Is it interview? Yeah, I didn't attend the interview kasi I wasn't able to reschedule. If you will reschedule, you have to message them or send them a request message because you will book. You will book from their platform, I guess. So hindi ko ma-book and then I message them. By the way, this one. After you fill out this one, you will receive an email of instructions. So here, thank you for your interest in 25 Poon and for submitting your application for the English online tutor. We especially appreciate the time and effort you put into the application process. In order to finish the application process, please follow the steps below to complete your application. Nakakalito ka actually. So you have to click this one. Yan. Na-download na siya. So click and download the PDF file. Please check the PDF file and prepare the requirements. Save all requirements in a folder and compress and send it by replying to this email. We will contact you via email reply when our review has been complete. So let's see here, 25 Poon application. So let's open the PDF after you download that. Okay, so ito na yung PDF guys. Application requirements. So let's see what are the application requirements. Please complete the questionnaire, question 1 to number 12, and save it as Microsoft Word or Pages format. So I'm using Windows 10. I'm not using Mac, so I use the Microsoft Word. Here, wait, let me open it. And this one is in Microsoft Word. Your full name. So, follow nyo din, you number 1, you write the number from 1 to number 12. So, number 1, your full name for student to call you. Like me, my full name is Amelita, but I wrote in number 2 is Amy. And then your country and city, your age, gender, your active email, active phone number, your educational. So you just follow that one. School name and degree. Next, teaching certificates. If you don't have, just write there NA. Professional teaching course, and experience in teaching English, self-introduction. So nakalagay naman doon 100 to 150 words. Next, ayan lang. Yes. So, yun yung, and then you save it, question number 1 to 12. Like this. So, question number 1 to 12. Next, question number 13. Question number 13. Here. Your numbers. SSS or password. Just one. Just choose one. So, next, question number 14. Sample profile picture. So, andito naman yung guide. Please shoot in a well-lit environment. Keep the background clean. I will show to you my picture. So this is the picture I sent to them. Yeah, clean background. Na over. Yeah. And then question number 15 is your profile video. So profile video, nasa YouTube channel ko din yung introduction video. Or you can also watch this, yung mga naka-attach na links. Yeah. And then after that, so ito na, question 1 to 12, question number 13, 14, and 15. So, ilagay mo yun sa isang folder. Yan. And then you write your name and your country. Yan. Kasi sabi ito, save all requirements in a folder and compress and send it by replying to this email. So, paano nyo ba i-compress? Ano yan? For example, this one. Right-click and then send to, and then makikita nyo dun, compressed folder. And then you click that. Compressed folder. Yan. Yan na. And tapos yan, ganito na siya, yung may zipper, ganyan. Like this one. I'm Amy, and then your country, Philippines. And then after that, you will reply to the email that you received, this one, and then isasend nyo dito. So, yun lang. After that, they will contact you. Let's see if how long. June 1. So, that is June 1. And then, they will reply here. It's June 6. Nag-reply sila ng June 6. So, ito yung next. After June 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 5 days. June 1. Yeah, after 5 days, nag-reply sila. So, for your interview schedule. So, may steps na naman. So, you have to follow the instructions. Read carefully. Yeah, please sign up and log in here. So, you just click the link. And then, step 2, please choose the interview booking. Do not choose training session. Select one time slot for your interview schedule and click the book now. On the booking page, kindly input the same information as your application and check your interview date and time. Check the information you have entered and click confirm booking. So, dali lang naman yan. Just And let's try to log in. So, nakagawa na kayo ng account nyo. Then, you log in. So, here, book a schedule. So, let's try to book. Because I booked a schedule before, unfortunately, I'm not available on that date. So, I cannot reschedule. But it's too late to request for reschedule interview. So, hindi ako nakasipot. Yeah. So, book a schedule. This one. Interview. So, not training. Sabi doon, just the interview. So, I can book again. So, our interview is 20 minutes long. Please check and choose your desired dates and time for an interview. If you can't book an interview or if you need to rebook your schedule, please submit a request for reschedule. Also, if you are having technical issues and would rather reschedule, please submit a troubleshooting report via the account dashboard. So again, guys, if you will reschedule, you have to send them an email request because you cannot reschedule here once you booked your interview. Because yan yung nangyari sa akin last time. Make sure that the time in the calendar is matched with your time zone. Avoid not showing up before booking an interview. Please make sure that you will be able to attend it. Oh, so hindi ako. Sorry. But I'll try. Let's try to book again. So I'll book, yeah, maybe 9. 9. 7:40 p.m. Oh, I guess I'll just book 18 since I applied to another company. So let's see. 18. Oh, there's no night. Monday. Here may night siya. So Thursday may be at 8 p.m. Yeah, let's try 8 p.m. Ayun, that's how you book. Oh, nakapag-book ako. So, yeah. And then, sorry, it seems that there are no available payment. That's nothing, don't mind that one. So, booking. I cannot. So, nakalagay dito, you need permission to book. So, yeah, if you will have your interview, if you will reschedule, you have to send them an email request to reschedule your interview. So you need permission to book. I think I need to email them again, if ever. So yeah, that's all for today. Okay, thank you so much. Good luck to your interviews, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.